YouTube family, Mike Jones here, and I am back with another one. So, thank you for coming to my channel, All Things Investing in Finance. Today, we're going to be talking about my M1 Finance Roth IRA portfolio, and so we'll be getting into that right now. But if you would just take a short moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and check out our other content on the channel. That would be very helpful. We are trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the summer, and we are 81 subscribers away from accomplishing that. So if you want to help us accomplish our goal, that would really go a long way. With that said, thank you so much for checking us out, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, the portfolio is at $8,348.81, which is absolutely phenomenal. We were this high probably 2 weeks ago, and then we took a massive drop this last week. But apparently, we had a fantastic day on Friday, because when I last looked, it was at $8,100, and we must have made $248 yesterday, I'm guessing. So that's fantastic. As you can see, it's a 56% return for us. We've gained over $2,300, $2,366.87 at this time. Now, when you break that down, we do have $2,215.51 in market gains and $132.39 in dividends. So that is absolutely phenomenal. When we started this account in December 3rd of 2019, we were at $2,968.91. And in that time that we've had it, we've actually deposited another $3,000. Why it says another $164.39, I'm not too sure. But just know that we've only deposited about $5,968.91 into this account, and everything else is gains or dividends. So we're really excited with the growth of the companies, or the ETF that we have here. As you can see, on July 9th, we were at 290.82. And this looks like the all-time high for this account. So we're really excited to see what happens next. We did get a dividend payment, which is why this is up to $132.39 in earned dividends. Let's see if we can actually see that. Yeah, see, we were able to get a dividend payment of 24.64 on June 29th of this year. So we won't be getting another payment as far as dividends go until probably September 30th or September 29th. But as you can see from last year, it was only 12, or 13.30 during July or June, and now it's 24.64. So we're just going to keep on adding money to the portfolio. I'm not sure if we want to go ahead and buy individual stocks with the next $3,000 that we decide to deposit into this account, or if we want to go ahead and just continue to invest in the ETF. We might go ahead and do half and half, just because I do really like the Vanguard ETF. It's been nothing but good for my account, and it's done everything that I've asked it to do. So with that said, I mean, that's pretty much it. Because we are in one little entity, I guess I could go over the share price that it's currently at to let you guys know. We do have a current price of $227.46. On Friday, it did gain $2.25 per share. As you can see, we have 36.7 shares of it, and we were able to get that at an average price of $166.58. So the total cost for that was just over $6,100, and the expense ratio is out of this world, because it does so much for us. For it to only have an expense ratio of 0.3 or 0.03% is absolutely phenomenal. That's not going to make much of a difference in the long term, and that's why we love Vanguard, is because they usually have very low expense ratios. Even on their mutual funds, they have some pretty low expense ratios. And, this does give a solid dividend of 1.23%. So we are happy with that. That's why we don't have massive dividends earned in this account, but it's enough to get us by. So we're officially making $100 a year off of the money that we have in this account, just off of dividends. That will come to us regardless. And yeah, so happy to see the progress. Stay tuned though for our next upcoming videos, because I am going to start depositing money into this account and growing it a little bit more. So we have $3,000 to put into this account, and we also have $3,000 to put into our Vanguard Roth IRA. With that said, have a great rest of your day. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.